That morning, Gatra, the brave rooster, stepped into the Belantaraya forest, carrying the hope of his village. From the bushes came a sly, gray mongoose. Mongoose, the wild river awaits you, little chicken, and the crocodile's still hungry. Before Gatra, the river roared, but he didn't take a single step back. Golden light surrounded him. The legendary egg was real. Gatra returned, not just as a rooster, but as a hero.